kinalimutan niya ako. Iba yung inisip. Vlog haul.
Oh, you're so full of crap.
Because he spent more money already, so we're not gonna double spend. Guys, our package is open, oh.
Good morning, Philippines!
So we can stop over there and pick apple and have best pick up. And we can stop. And then there's no people there, it's nice. Good morning, guys. I'm talking to my B-boy. And nagluluto lang ako ng patty, also yung egg din. Yan yung breakfast natin kasi I can't find any bread sa Walmart yesterday. So ito yung pagkain natin. Breakfast, 2 eggs and 2 patties and rice. And also, masarap ito pag may tocino. At saka or corned beef. Corned beef. Masarap corned beef na ginisa mo with egg. Or ano lang, igisa mo lang siya with a lot of onion. Namimiss ko yun, guys. Kaso yung corned beef dito, guys, ang mahal. Ang mahal-mahal ng corned beef dito, grabe. Kinaya, alam nyo yung can, $5. Ayun, guys. Alam nyo ba, ang mahal. Hindi ko talaga kayanin. I don't have a bread bag. Wala tayong bread ngayon, little boy. Coffee lang bag. At rice. Sarap. You just have to brown it. You don't put oil. So good. With coffee. Ang dali kong maiyak kapag pasensya na sa buko, guys. Oh my god. Ang dali kong maiyak. Oh my god. Kapag may pinapanood ako, iba pa naman ako, guys. Pag maiyak ako, guys, yung ano ko, sumakit yung ulo ko. Kapag umiyak ako, iwan ko talaga, guys. After akong iiyak, yung ulo ko naman aatake talaga. So, yun yung naobserbahan ko. As in, kaya I avoid crying, guys. Kasi, pero hindi natin mapigilan yung iyak, guys. Pero kapag umiyak talaga ako, after that, yung ulo ko talaga sasakit. Come here, Rock. Misty's enjoying the bone. Come here. I'm not leaving yet. Roxy, come here. Kaluka talaga ka. Alam mong aalis ako. Mamaya pa ako alis. Okay, si Misty andun na. Kumakain na. Almost 1 o'clock na. Wala pa si Tami. Naluka ako kasi ang daming in-stop. Ang daming pinuntahan. Wala akong alam. Bahala siya sa buhay niya. Well, you know what? It's already 2 o'clock. And wala pa rin si Tami. Hindi pa rin dito patungo. Hindi pa rin. So, bahala na siya. Naano ako Yung parang galit. Parang galit talaga ako. Parang galit ba na? Galit talaga. Mag-lechon paksiw lang tayo ng manok. Itong rotisserie chicken. Maliit lang. Konti lang ito. Ito yung i-dinner natin mamaya. Ang gagawin ko nito is, ikakat ko siya and ilagay natin dito sa pot. And ito yung ipakain ko sa asawa ko na utak. Sana. Wala, mahulog. Mahulog yung camera ba? Yan. So, yun. Ito yung pakain natin sa kanya. Ayoko talaga yung ganun, guys. Yung naghintay ako and then nandito siya dapat na ganung oras kasi may mga gagawin kami, plano. Pero, wala. Kinalimutan niya ako. Iba yung inisip. Yung feeling mo ba na hindi gani kayo magkasama? Hindi kayo magkasama. And then, ang nangyari, hindi ka pa parang hindi ka namimiss ba? Yung feeling na ganun, parang hindi ka niya na-miss, na iwan, ganun. Ang saya nito. Ang ganda ng knife. Ang ganda ng knife, guys. Ako, mag-lechon paksiw ako. Ang lang talaga sa akin is lime, suka, pepper talaga, at saka pepper talaga, paminta. Pareha lang yan. Ang tawag nito, dahon laurel. God, ang nice ng knife. Ang hait-hait niya. And then onion and garlic yun. And then yun. Ito na lang, guys, hindi ko nalagyan ng garlic. Masarap naman ito. Garlic and onion. Ano lang, lemon, lime. Lime guys, masarap yung lime kaysa lemon. Anyway, yeah, yun yung ano ko. Yung lime. Or yung ano, alam nyo na, yung kalamansi sa atin. Pero wala kasing kalamansi dito, yung maliit. Pare-pareha lang naman yan, yung lime. Yun. And then, dahon ng L'Oreal. Ano? Dalawa yung ilagay natin para amoy na amoy. And then, tuyo, kunting tuyo. And ito yung kinain ko kahapon din. You know, lunch ko kahapon before ako nakipagkita kay Lo. Yung nag-apple picking kami. Na tumawag ng tinuhak ng nakalagot. Naglagot ba igot kami? Naglagot ba igot ko nimo?
I'll let you know.
Okay. Nothing. What do you want me to say?
Okay, cool. Do that.
And hintayin lang natin si Tami kasi ang tagal talaga, grabe. Ay, naku, buhay, pag-ibig. Do you wanna go out? Yung dahon, guys, as in, nag-change na talaga yung dahon, guys. Doon ay, oh. Yan, oh, yellow na. Doon din, look. Change na. Dada siya. You should be. Hello? Dada siya. Hello? There's somebody calling. What the heck? Why he's calling me now? Where is he? Where the heck are you?
Traffic.
Huh?
Traffic.
Traffic.
Traffic's trying to only wait for Walmart, and it's just going along. It's great.
Tignan niyo si Roxy, guys. Hello? Aray. Aray, pagkakiat na lang kiat kay kahoy. Di, gunitan ng lubot, di. Gunitan, nilingkod. Ayaw niya hawakan yung... Gunitan, bi. Gunitan ng lubot, bi. Gunitan ng lubot. Pagunit sa lubot. Pagunit. Let's be. Let me gunit your lubot. Hala, nasuko. Galit. Pagunit sa lubot. Look, nagalit yun, guys. Lubot. Hello, is here. Pagunit sa lubot. Magalit. Nagagalit yun, guys. Gunit sa lubot. Gunit sa lubot. Gunit. Lubot. Roxy, oh, you're funny, Rox. Nagalit. Magagalit to, guys. Ayaw niya yun. Nandito na si Mister. Ang tagal-tagal. Dito na. Ang tagal ng tawanang to. Pasok tayo. Pasok. Umiyak na si Roxy. Oh my God, Han. You know how much is this, Han? 15 bucks. I cannot even buy my thing because... God. I don't even buy a thing for me because it's expensive and you buy something for the dog. I just buy dog food, cat food.
I know, but you didn't get them treats.
Oh God. I did. I get them bones. And then you get this one, you think this is the same, different taste.
How do you know?
I did before. He buy me a freaking another roll that never existed. It's blank cellophane. And then he got me this Hawaiian bread and different thing. It's a hot dog bun.
Oh, hot dog bun.
It's a hot dog bun, Tommy.
Oh, hot dog bun.
He went to the store without me. So now I cannot even go shopping for my dollar store vlog haul.
Oh, you're so full of crap.
Because he spent more money already, so we're not gonna double spend.
You know my wife is full of crap.
And more chicken, like we don't have enough chicken.
How many dogs do you live with your 2 children?
Look at this.
With your fiance?
This is how it works. He hold the bone like that, standing up, and that's Misty, guys. Tingnan niyo. Spoiled, eh? They're so spoiled, eh? They're so spoiled, eh? It's good for their teeth, guys. Clean up the tartar. Tingnan niyo ito, isa. I'm not bothering you, Rox. What is that? What is it? Are you having fun? Are you having fun, Dada's spoiled kid? Are you spoiled? Spoiled mo na, oy. Roxy, you're such a wild eater. You're a wild eater, Rox. Diyos, naku, pagkahimos na lang gid akong baby. What do you think about the curtains?
Nice.
Huh?
Nice.
It's a nice one, right? So you like it?
Yeah.
You like the color?
Move his house. Doot, 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 doot.
Because every time you're here, that's what happened.
He's gonna move his house.
Yeah.
Doot, 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 doot.
Because it's like something else with you.
What? So they're happy to see you. Is that a bad thing?
What? You don't want to go?
I'm ready to go.
Mhm. Guys, he's twisting my arm. Hon, it's really hurting, hon.
That really hurt
It's,
my butt.
my God, he really twists my arm, guys, like a freaking.
Guys, look, it hurts so much she can't hold the camera anymore. Oh,
6 o'clock. No, 5:16. Ngayon guys, punta tayo sa dollar store. Maghanap tayo kung ano man yung makikita natin. Meron lang akong mga hinahanap na para pang decor. Baka meron makita tayo ng mga pang decor sa bahay. Kasi marami kasi si Taming flower vase. Yung mga lalagyan ng mga halaman. Sama lang kami ni Tami. And ngayon, mag-dollar store tayo.
What'd you say?
Who's crazy?
You said I'll drive. You free.
I'll drive. Who's crazy? Crazy who's drive? Why you smell like a woman?
What? Smell like a woman?
A perfume. Perfume. I was telling me you smell like a woman. So guys, ngayon punta tayo magda-dollar tree tayo. Hala, stop shit. Hala. It stops.
What's stop?
That thing is went up and down.
You should press it twice.
Yeah. It's crazy of you, hon. Next time, hon, don't do that, hon.
With what?
Look at his face, guys. I say, don't do that thing.
Well, because we should have ballast here, and I don't see them here, so they're probably in the mailbox.
Okay.
Ballast for the light. And what do we get? We get a ripped open empty package.
Can you call them? Guys, our package is open, oh. It's not here.
Yeah.
Call them. I stay here for a while. Because they don't get any signal. Nakaloka, guys. As in, open talaga. Kinuha yung ano. Hala. Are we Prudential? Oh, this is your thing. I'm no longer located. La 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 la.
Oh, Robbie Freeman.
Who is that? This is your Prudential? May magnakaw. Maybe the delivery, hun.
Yeah.
It's not, no one do that here. It's just the deliver. Somebody open it and the deliver thing. Look, they ripped it. Look, they ripped it, guys. They deliver it over here empty. What are you doing?
Trying to find a way to contact USPS.
Do you want me to back up that you can have signal?
No.